No wiring, no electricity, no problem. This is a rechargeable motion sensor ceiling light. It has magnets on the back. So it's waterproof. You can use it in showers, closets, hallways, any spot in your home that you need more light. So I live in an RV, so I got it for my closet because it just didn't have a lot of light. So it comes with a metal bracket that you just glue on the top of wherever you want it, as like a peel off sticky thing, and then you just put this up in your ceiling or shower or wherever you want it. So I'm going to demonstrate how this works. So here's your remote, and here is how you turn it on. And these two are the motion sensors, either for day or night. And this is the different colors of light. So hopefully you can see that. And then you can dim it or make it brighter. I like it all the way bright. And then right here, here's a timer that you can set it for if you only want it on for a little while. And I'll turn that off, just like that. So the little sensor here, there's little sensors that helps with motion and then with your remote. So this is one of my favorite buys this year, just because it is so simple. There's one thing that I don't like about it is that you have to charge it. I mean, it's good that there's no batteries, but just all of a sudden doesn't work. So that's the one thing. It stays good for a long time, so it's kind of unexpected when it does turn out. But I am so happy with this product, so happy that I purchased it. It's been a closet game changer. So I hope that helps you out.